If your 5.7 HEMI just crossed 100,000 miles, something inside may already be wearing out quietly right now. And the dangerous part is most owners don't notice anything serious until a faint ticking becomes consistent during cold morning startups. This isn't random failure. There's a predictable wear pattern that almost always appears shortly after six-figure mileage. It begins with microscopic wear forming on camshaft lobes and lifter rollers after years of heat cycles and pressure. At first, there are no warning lights, no engine codes, and no obvious performance loss to alarm you. What changes near 100,000 miles is something most drivers never think about: long-term oil film breakdown. As oil protection weakens, tiny imperfections begin forming on lifter rollers where smooth rotation once existed. Those imperfections reduce smooth contact with the camshaft and increase friction slightly every single revolution. That added friction slowly removes hardened protective material designed to shield the camshaft surface from deeper damage. Eventually, the lifter may stop rotating correctly, concentrating pressure on one specific section of the cam lobe. This is when the ticking starts, so faint that you question whether you even heard it correctly. Most owners assume it's injector noise or harmless valvetrain sound that every HEMI supposedly makes. But real lifter tick becomes progressively louder as metal continues wearing unevenly across camshaft surfaces. As wear increases, the cam lobe slowly loses lift height and valve timing efficiency begins declining. Power drops slightly, throttle response changes, and misfires can eventually appear under heavier load conditions. By the time those symptoms show clearly, internal damage has usually progressed beyond simple preventive maintenance. Repair typically means replacing camshaft, lifters, gaskets, and paying several $1,000s in labor costs. The first ticking usually lasts less than 5 seconds, which is exactly why almost everyone ignores it. If you hear brief metallic ticking after sitting overnight, don't automatically dismiss it as harmless. Catching lifter wear early may prevent full camshaft destruction and additional internal engine damage. If your HEMI is approaching 100,000 miles, listen carefully tomorrow morning before driving away. Comment your mileage and whether you've heard startup ticking, and I'll tell you how urgent it might be.